guys, tonight I'm gonna make us a Pancit Cantoon. This is the one. I'm gonna use the one that's too many in the bag. I'm gonna use 2 layers, one here and one here is 2. Then I'm using pork. I mix some broccoli for healthy living because you use pork, some green beans, carrots, garlic, red bell pepper, spring onion and red onion, and of course cabbage. So this is the ingredients. Let's cook in the pan. I forgot my pan. On the pan, I'm gonna start on the pan. It's on the stove. Now it's on fire. I'm gonna cook Sierra here next. I'm gonna fry her. Right here, I'm gonna flip her, flip and flip. I'm not gonna put no oil. I'm gonna use the fat of this pork. It's too much fat. Alright, come here, man. Come here, man. Okay, it's not hot yet, but it will. Okay, okay. Okay, now it's sizzling.
With no oil.
With no oil.
Now it is sizzlicious. The pork is frying in the pan.
Okay, you do it.
Soon it will be a golden color, but not real gold. You can't take it and spend it.
Now my chef is cooking. Where's your apron and your hat? She have an apron that I sew for her and then she didn't wear it. Right. Right.
Look at my glasses. I can't see worth a damn.
You blind? You can't see.
That's how you do it?
That's how you do it.
And then when they get grease splattered on you, you'll be like, I'm not doing it no more.
You want?
I can smell it burning.
You can feel it burning?
On this episode of Cooking with Morons, we cook pork.
Put more on the cameraman.
No, the cooks.
The cook. Oh, shit. You're the cook tonight? Yeah, they say this is chef with a moron, so you are?
I said moron with an S.
Moron?
Don't say it.
It's plural.
It's plural.
Tomorrow I'm working on that sink cabinet for sure.
Okay guys, come with me.
And now the pork is turning a golden brown.
We're going to add
My chicken won't come with me.
spices
And
now.
there's no oil in that. That is the fat that come out of the pork on its own.
Come with me. In the bathroom. Come with
We're gonna
me.
use the oil to saute the spices, right? Saute. Ouch.
Okay guys, come with me in the
It's
bathroom.
dangerous.
Okay, come with me in the bathroom. Okay.
This is
Okay guys.
garlic. She don't wanna go
She's
to the
eating, Sarah.
bathroom. No. I put the garlic first. Then next is the red onion. We don't burn the spices because they don't taste good.
Me personally, I like a good browned onion.
Yeah, it's not mixed in a stir-fried pancit cantoon. Come here. Come here. Then after you mix it there like that. You don't need to take out that meat in there. Just mix the cook like that. See? Smell good already. Smell good. The next is we're gonna put the vegetables, all of them. That's a carrot, some sliced carrots, the green beans, and the broccoli. Then the special seasoning. See that? That's a special seasoning.
I'm going to walk.
See it? Okay. We're gonna open this one by mouth. Like this. That's my technique. And put it here. Like that. That's good. Then forgot the secret of a good stir fried is patis. It makes that patis. 1 lid is 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna put 2 lids in there.
For the people who couldn't see it, because she had her hand over it, this is what it is.
There's so many kinds of patis or fish sauce. There's so many branded than that one. That's the only one I can get. There's more better brand than that.
That is fish sauce.
It makes the food really tasty. Believe me. Every time you cook, put the fish sauce. And we don't overcook this. Gonna half cook only. I'm gonna add the black pepper because I forgot it earlier. Good enough, as much as you want. I have that pan here because I'm gonna move the hair so I can put the Pancit Cantoon in here. Okay, I'm gonna move that here. Don't put the oil, just the vegetable. Because we need the oil for the Pancit
Lift that
Cantoon.
pan up.
I know, okay. Okay, now I on it. Back. I'm gonna add water in here. That's 1 cup. I'm gonna add 1 more. Okay. There's another cup. There's 2 cups. I'll put 2 cups in there. We add soy sauce. I just put what's 1/2? 1/8. 1/4. 1/8, right? 1/8. 1/8 cup of soy sauce. So that's 1/8 cup soy sauce. And there. We'll wait until it's done. Okay, now it's boiling right here, and the roast cubes already melted, and we're gonna add this one. One piece and 2 pieces. Don't worry. See? It's got softer already. I mean, not melting, softer. I said softer. It's soft. It's gonna happen when you're Bisaya trying hard to speak English. I'll try my best to. Okay, start getting softer and softer. Then after this one get cooked, we're gonna mix. Okay, I'm gonna mix them now because it's cooked already. I use this bigger pan. I should use this one in the first place. I thought it will fit in this one, but it's not. Yummy Pancit Cantoon. See? It's good if you got shrimp in here. My husband likes shrimp. Now we're gonna add the cabbage, the red bell pepper,
That's gonna roll. Just peel it.
and the
Spring onion.
spring onion.
Did you peel that bell pepper?
It's different kind of bell pepper, the Bisaya kind.
Peel it.
You can peel it, but it's too thin. You can only peel a red bell pepper if it's Indian bell pepper. American Indian. No, the capsicum I'm talking about. They don't have no capsicum. Okay, it's almost done. Come here. Look. See, the water. My husband don't eat this food because it's kinda a lot. And you know how long it takes me to eat this? 3 to 5 days. The longest.
I'll eat some of it.
But my husband helped like 2 days only. We reheat this one in the microwave. Put in the fridge, then microwave.
We're just having trouble focusing, trying to pick up that steam.
See? Yummy. You can put anything in your Pancit Cantoon. Shrimp, fish balls, or chicken. But this is the only stuff I got right now. It is good with mushroom also, mushroom and fish ball. It is really good.
If you don't have any male fish, you can't put in fish balls. Know how to tell a male fish from a female fish? The female has a headache.
You have a headache right now. Okay. Focus on this 30 seconds. 30 seconds. What are you doing? Are you looking at me? See it.
Yeah, I'm looking at you. The good flotation devices.